Move aside. Move aside. I am sick. I am sick. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. Don't go out. Don't go out. A little longer. Get out. Get out. Can you help me? Can you help me? What does it mean? What does it mean? Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Don't be late. Don't be late. How long will it take? How long will it take? Wait outside. Wait outside. That is necessary. That is necessary. I want to work. I want to work. Say something. Say something. Stand up. Stand up. Take it easy. Take it easy. This is great. This is great. Come here quickly. Come here quickly. Wait inside. Wait inside. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Talk with me. Talk with me. All right. All right. Take it. Take it. Are you there? Are you there? I can't. I can't. Don't talk rubbish. Don't talk rubbish. It is stupidity. It is stupidity. I think so. I think so. I want to say something. I want to say something. Stop it. Stop it. Nice talking to you. Nice talking to you. At least. At least. I feel sorry for you. I feel sorry for you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I don't think so. I don't think so. I want to eat something. I want to eat something. Shut up and listen. Shut up and listen. Stop overthinking. Stop overthinking. I know him. I know him. I can't remember. I can't remember. Call him. Call him. I don't know. I don't know. I can't wait. I can't wait. Walk ahead. Walk ahead. You are wrong. You are wrong. Let's run away. Let's run away. Does he speak English? Does he speak English? Stay calm. Stay calm. You are right. You are right. Don't try to teach me. Don't try to teach me. When does it begin? When does it begin? Yes, I want it. Yes, I want it. Wait for me. Wait for me. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? No, I don't want this. No, I don't want this. Help me. Help me. I am sorry. I am sorry. Do you feel better? Do you feel better? Don't get up. Don't get up. Follow me. Follow me. Don't say a single word. Don't say a single word. Let's rest here. Let's rest here. It is empty. It is empty. Look who is here. Look who is here. Keep working. Keep working. May I put it here? May I put it here? Wait here. Wait here. I need you. I need you. I want a glass of water. I want a glass of water. It is full. It is full. Over there. Over there. Most of them. Most of them. I am playing. I am playing. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? You are hurting me. You are hurting me. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Give me the pen. Give me the pen. Come in. Come in. Who cares? Who cares? Does he live here? Does he live here? 1 minute, please. 1 minute, please. Good job. Good job. You are kind. You are kind. Keep faith in me. Keep faith in me. He is still here. He is still here. Nothing required. Nothing required. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. I don't care. I don't care. It's a long story. It's a long story. Don't sit. Don't sit. Over here. Over here. I can't do this. I can't do this. How is she? How is she? She might come. She might come. Don't be upset. Don't be upset. I am busy. I am busy. I was looking for this. I was looking for this. I can wait. I can wait. Say it clearly. Say it clearly. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.